Okay guys, so today we're going to make an almond flour bread, but we're going to jazz up this bread a little. So what we're going to add is some maple syrup to it and some vanilla essence. So let's get started putting everything together. So just to run over the ingredients, we have 1 cup of almond flour, 1/4 cup of butter, melted butter, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence, some maple syrup, about 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 4 eggs. And this is our pan that we're going to use in order to bake our bread in. So the first thing we'll do, let's add our eggs in and mix that together. Okay, so we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. Okay, so now that we have blend everything together nicely, let's add it to our pan. All right, so now we're going to head over to our oven, to our preheated oven, and we're going to put this in at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for between 20 to 30 minutes. Okay guys, so our gluten-free almond flour bread is now completed. What I would suggest to you is that whenever your oven comes off, you can always double check to make sure the bread is cooked through. So just use a knife, run it through. If it comes out clean, you know your bread is completed. If not, then you just put it back on for a few more minutes. So we're just going to take it out of here and leave it on our cooling rack to cool completely before we cut into it. All right, so there you have it. So once again, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification, and give the video the thumbs up. See you in my next video. Bye for now.